Okay guys, John over here at Lone Wolf Harley Davidson. I'm going to show you how to set up your PIN number on your 23.5 CVOs or your 24 and 25 baggers. Have the motorcycle all fired up and the menu and everything has caught up with you. The first thing we want to do is bring up our menu and go into our settings. Once we're inside our settings, we're going to scroll down to System and then to System Info. Once in System Info, I'm going to just choose Change Security PIN. And from here, I'm going to manually type in my security pin, which will be all ones. Okay, now that is set. Okay, guys, we find ourselves in a situation where we've lost our key fob, the key fob battery is dead, or the bike and the key fob just are not communicating. In that situation, we're going to go ahead and turn on our kill switch. We're going to remain off the motorcycle. We do not want to activate the silent alarm. The very first thing that's going to pop up is enter our PIN number, which is all ones. Okay, guys, this bike is now able to be fired up and get us home safely.